The only way in and out of Zanskar Valley in Ladakh region during winters is over 100 kilometers of journey on freezing Zanskar River known as Chadar. Chadar means blanket, a blanket of ice, which serves as only road in that period connecting Leh with Zanskar. Another road also is under construction to maintain air-round connectivity between Leh and Zanskar and is expected to complete in couple of years. The stunning landscape combined with the experience of walking on frozen river that meanders through a steep gorge was enough of a draw for trekkers who made their way here despite the harsh conditions, the lack of trekking options in winter months, and the relative ease of the walk at an altitude of around 3,500 meters, same as Leh, made the Chadar trek a must-to-do for travelers. Porters are the mainstay for transporting luggage on Chadar trek. Most of the porters come from Zanskar and walk the Chadar. Many times, loads are tied to sledges and are pulled on ice. At places where the Chadar is broken is where the load is actually lifted on the back like a big backpack. Overall, these porters are the backbone and they are the one who make this trek possible for the travelers. This has been Zanskar people's traditional route in winter for centuries. The 7 to 8 days walk from Chiling to Padam is both challenging as well as an incomparably exciting experience. Most of the trekkers who come for Chadar opt for the shorter version up to Nerak, the frozen waterfall near Nerak village. Many fears the Chadar trek may soon become history for keen travelers in India and abroad. The reason it may not form due to global warming and unchecked human traffic. This is also a wake-up call for the trekkers visiting this place to embrace sustainable tourism practices for maintaining the sanctity of this place. After all, travel is an art. It is not just about roaming around the world. Travel is about experiencing every single moment and documenting those memories, making them an incentive for people to explore each and every corner of this big wide world, but doing so quietly, carefully, and leaving the place just as we found it. Let's make an effort to make sure that we do not damage the ecology of a place by our presence. Should make way for the generations to come so they can see all the reasons that kept us wandering.